Today we are going to talk about database users and administrators, part of database management system. Database users are individuals or systems that interact with the database by querying, updating, or otherwise accessing the data stored in it. There are several different types of database users, including end users. These are the individuals who use the database as part of their everyday work or personal activities. They may be employees, customers, or number of public depending on the purpose of the database. Application users. These are programs or systems that access the database to retrieve or update data on behalf of end users. For example, a web application may use a database to store and retrieve user accounts and preferences. System administrators. These are individuals who are responsible for managing and maintaining the database system. They may be responsible for tasks such as installing and configuring database software, creating and modifying database structures, and backing up and restoring. Database administrators. These are specialized professionals who are responsible for the overall management and performance of a database system. They may be responsible for tasks such as optimizing database performance, ensuring data integrity and security, and monitoring and troubleshooting database issues. Database users and administrators interact with database using database language tools such as SQL and database management system. They may also use specialized database management software or utilizes to perform tasks such as database backup and recovery. Thank you for watching.